Let's take a look at how to use the selling feature. First, click on the Sell feature on the home page. Select a product from the product list by clicking the Add button or search for the product. On the right side, enter the total quantity and price of the product. You can also add a warranty if you want. All the information can be edited if needed. Next, select whether you want to sell the product in cash or on credit. If you sell in cash, enter the payment amount and click on the Payment Received option. You will be able to view the sales invoice and print it if you wish. If you sell the product on credit, enter the amount of cash received, then provide the customer's name and mobile number and click on the Sell option. The product will be sold successfully. You will be able to view the invoice for credit sales and print it if you wish.